back in action. We're back in the action, boys. So boys, a little different environment today. As you guys can tell, this isn't my house. This is actually my mom's house. I think it was last video I told you guys I'm doing some kitchen renos. So I came over here. Y'all probably didn't care about that, but I said that so I have an excuse to show off these little puppies over here, which aren't puppies anymore, but they always will be to me. This is why I always love coming to my mom's. Always to see my mom too, but this, if you guys have been watching videos for a long time, is Daisy. My childhood dog. My mom has her now, and she's like 14 years old. This is my my mom's boyfriend's dog, Nelly. So they're just like a cute little duo. I just had to show you guys, man. Whenever I have a chance to brag about these two little cuties, goddamn! I just spilled my drink all over my mom's floor. God. Alright, all cleaned up. Sorry, this is my one day today where I'm gonna allow myself to drink this week. Actually, usually my day off, but I got this package in the mail that we're about to unbox, and I'm stoked, so we're filming. But real quick, as you guys know, I've been updating you a ton on this situation that we've had on the channel 14 videos ago. It was happening always. Through that happening, YouTube doesn't share my stuff. Then I told you guys, I just kind of pulled it out of a hat, and I'm like, maybe this will work. I said, if you guys start really thumbsing up these videos and giving lots of comments down below, maybe it can reverse it. 14 videos in a row now. You guys have been killing it. It has reversed it, and because of that, as you guys know, this whole video costs a lot of money. I was able to do it because through your help and through my videos now getting traction again, I just signed off on a good 6-month brand deal that I have dreamed of having for a long time. I'm not going to say what it is yet, but we got a little bit of cash from that, and it's all because of you guys. We're back in action, man. We really are, so thank you. Please thumbs up this video and comment down below. It helps tremendously, and I don't use that word a lot, bro. I don't use it lightly. That's quite a big word, but tremendous work. Alright, so now let's get into this. I was feeling real secure about this video idea until I actually got the package in the mail today. Started reflecting on how I'm actually going to explain to you guys what's going on. I usually want to give you guys a little background info of how we got this package, and that's what I thought to myself today, maybe a little bit late, hopefully not, that things were a little bit weird with this purchase. Now, a little while ago, a viewer actually hit me up on Instagram. God, if it was you, please leave a comment down below because I can't remember who you are, but they sent me a link of somebody selling a coronavirus mask for $2,000, and it was filled with diamonds. Now, y'all know I like the crazy type of unboxings, especially if it costs a lot of money for something stupid. I think it's actually funnier if you spend more money on it. Stupid, but funny to me. Anyway, I went onto this listing and I hit up the seller and I said, you know what, man, I think I'd probably purchase this, but how fast could you get it here? And then he hit me back with a message and he said, man, you know, if we don't go through eBay, so I don't have to pay the fees on this, I guess there's eBay fees, I don't really sell anything on eBay ever, and we just go through email and then you purchase off me there through PayPal, then I'll send it out right away. I'll do like 1 or 2 day shipping just for free because you saved me money. That sounds awesome. So I did it. And through my pacing, kind of thinking about what I want to say, you know, giving you the whole info, that's when I realized that it seems a little sketchy actually. So here's the package, man. I haven't been this excited in a long time for a video. You know, the last one we did that I was real excited for was a jacuzzi for your balls that I bought. I bought it in September. It finally came like a few weeks ago and we did a video on it. This is like Christmas. So we're just gonna get into it. I'm so stoked. So like I said, this is my day off, but I had to get into it real quick. Looking for a knife somewhere on my mom's floor. Not sure why, to open up this package. I do want to say, while I look for something to open this with, maybe a key. I do want to say, you know, I make it a little bit kind of jokes, I guess, about this whole situation by buying something so expensive as a mask, but you know, that's just kind of my humor with things. I try not to worry too much, even though I'm quite an anxious person. I kind of want to send vibes that way. I really do want to say I hope everyone's doing well out there. I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those people a couple weeks ago that was like, you know, this is like getting blown out of proportion. Now it's looking kind of wild. Luckily for where I'm at right now, I live in a place in Canada where it really hasn't hit too hard, so we haven't been going through that like quarantine stuff, but I really do feel for you guys that are going through that. You know, man, just stay safe out there. I don't know, I'm not going to give you any sort of tips as a lot of people want to preach on their Instagram. Do this, 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 and this, and you'll be fine. I don't want to do that. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. Do your thing. Just be smart about it. I hope everyone's cool. Anyway, let's get into this, man. A $2,000 coronavirus mask I bought off eBay, not off eBay, through my email, so I'm kind of scared I might get scammed again. It sounds like a good video. Alright, man, let's get into it. Without further ado, oh my god! We have a mask. Holy hell. This is a lot of money. Now I'm kind of thinking, what am I going to do with this once I have it? I guess a good video. Maybe we'll make more videos and get our money's worth. Whoa, let's go. Oh my god. We have paper right here. She's nicely packed. And oh my god! It's a mask! We got the mask! What the fuck is this? I'm not supposed to swear. So look what I just spent $2,000. What the? This is the picture, boys. This is one of the pictures he sent. Does that look like this? You know, my inkling was kind of correct on this. I didn't think it'd be this bad. Dude, I'm getting so much anxiety right now. Alright, man, I just took a little breather. I had to cut this off for a second. I'll try to get my money back on this. This is a diamond mask that somebody freaking made. Clearly. What the? Is that a rip? And it's ripped too on the inside. I haven't even looked. I don't even want to touch this. There's individual diamonds stuck onto it looks like a regular mask.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Shoot. This is, yeah, this is bull crap. For what it is, honestly, it's kind of funny if you want to wear this in public. But for what it is, for somebody just saying that they're going to give me what I got when they have actual professional looking pictures, that kind of pisses me off. For $2,000, this is disgusting. Sorry, God, I'm so mad. I'm trying to convince myself I'm still freaking mad, bro. That's our video. I'm more mad that we didn't get the actual diamond. What's the diamond in the picture he showed me? Alright, took another breather. Just because that sucked, I actually have a package that arrived at my mom's place yesterday that I just want to show you guys. I was going to maybe do a separate video on it, not sure, because something I spent a little bit of money on I really like. I'm just going to put that in this video real quick, just as a little bonus, not going to lie. Also, I try to get to 10 minutes because that's when they really share your videos, and then you can also put ads in the videos. We're transparent. Anyway, sorry for that, man. That sucks. That really does suck. We'll keep her light as a quick little bonus, boys. This is something I bought off eBay about a month ago. It took forever to come in. Little bonus unboxing. I think a lot of you guys are really gonna dig this. And I'll just tell you right now as I open this, this has to do with something that I collect that may or may not be concert posters that are autographed. So this right here, man, this is a big bonus. I was literally gonna use this for another video. I know what one it is too, because I have been looking at the shipping for when it's gonna arrive every single day. I'm finally at my mom's place to come pick it up. And what we got, I gotta get this out real careful. This is a piece that I just already cherish, and I haven't even opened it yet. This, boys, is number 3 in my collection, which I am so lucky to have. Oh, don't ruin it. Of an actual signed XXX Tentacion, one of my favorite musical artists of all time, beside Nick Caution and a bunch of other kind of low-key guys. Signed concert poster right here. Oh my god. That's awesome. This is now I'm happy again. I actually didn't think I'd be opening up this today. I thought I'd have to leave it for another video. But look at that, man. All authenticated through email and stuff like that. He told me about it. I spent a good chunk of money on this, but it's something that I really, really cherish. I love just cool things on your wall. As you guys know by looking at the background, my mom's an artist. Those are some of her work right there. This is her boyfriend's work, or that might be my mom's work. I don't know. They're all artists. I grew up in a house of art, and this to me is the greatest art you can ever have. I just spit on it. Okay, all right. That left it on a better note. This is cool. This is really signed right there, man. Oh my god. I'm more excited to unbox this than I was the mask. Anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the Game, the greatest of all time. I'll update you guys. I know I'll get my money back for sure on this stupid mask. But I'll let you guys know if I do or not, or how it's going. I don't know how to put this back in the pack. Merc in the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats, man. Blah. And stay safe. Once again, stay safe. Be smart. That's all I'm gonna tell. It's the only advice I got. Be smart. Don't be dumb. Alright. Bye, guys. It's about to the boys. Bye, Neller. Bye, Days. Bye. Bye. Alright. Peace. And I'm back, boys. Back home right now. I just finished editing this video and realized we're like so close to 10 minutes. You guys know I'm transparent with you. Obviously, I want to do that so we can get a little bit more money. Also, they share it more, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you guys a little kitchen renos right now. If you guys don't really, it's real messy right here right now, sorry. But this is usually where I film. I put the camera right here, and in the background, we usually have a wall. So we're busting all that down. I'm buying all new appliances. I'm buying all new kitchen, da-da-da-da-da. So we're gonna have a bar top right here. This is how it's going right now. That's why we haven't really been filming at home lately, because so many contractors have been in here. But that's a little update. Anyway, man, no hat brand talking right now. I can't remember where I put it. I'm just editing a video right now. But appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the Game, the greatest of all time. Massivelle. but I know I'm gonna get my money back. So I'm not too pissed off. I'm just more pissed we couldn't see that cool mask we had in the picture. Someone's at my door.